welcome back to SJF Entertainment, and today I will be making slime. And so first, it says on the back, empty an entire bottle of glue, and we gotta get this open. Okay.
Hit squeeze and then color done.
There. Pretty much all over. Yep, got to the bottom of that one.
Next up.
Next up, we need to get the magic liquid. Oh, it's already open.
I just opened it. Magic ingredient production. Pour it over the bowl.
I bake, but I don't.
Is that even full?
No. Is it full?
Oh, a little more.
I don't need it.
Well, I can't because I'm trying to film. But, all right, put it over the gunk.
Alright, just send it to stir 'em.
Is that good?
Yeah, well,
Go.
Dump it.
Yep, so that's one. We need more, right? Oops. Okay, two. A little bit. Three. Four. All right, mix it up. And then it says,
You need
what is the texture? Good? Kind of pretty colors.
That's why I said I want to be blue.
All right, you think we need some more magic liquid or what? Touch it. Is it sticky? If it's sticky, then we need more magic.
Okay. So this is what mine turns out to look like. And warning, if your mom says you can't take it anywhere around your house, like buy furniture or buy stuff that can and garbage. My mom says I can't carpet. My mom says I can't play with it. I can only play with it on here. And I can't play with it downstairs. So the only place I can play with it is up here on the table. And Perfect. Perfect. 3, 2.